Okay, this particular video, I just want to take the value of paint. So I don't know if you can see, I'm sure you can, but this building is looks like it's newly painted. Beautiful characters right there. You see those beautiful characters on each of those steps? But this whole building... Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. But this whole building looks so beautiful, but then you look at this building right here, right? Or even like if this one was well painted, if it was like nicely painted, it would look pretty cool. And actually this one would look really cool too, but they're not. But this one is, especially those characters. So we're gonna try to get a little bit closer. Just kind of let you know, this is like a little bit of a market area right here. So so some of these clothes are, so yeah, you can kind of walk down this market and you can find all kinds of stuff for pretty low prices. But I want to focus on, and you can keep going down that way too. I want to focus on that building. It looks really cool. Let's just see what this is. It says Escuela, a school of Sagrada Familia. So the school of the Sagrada family. Okay, I guess those are the ones that started it. So let's go down one of these streets, and this is just a regular market street. And let me just kind of take a look at this one for a second here. Okay, it looks like basically a school. I wasn't really sure what it was, but yeah, it's actually a school. So yeah, I guess the whole building is a school. You can see all this ceiling part too. All right, let's go down a little bit further. Let me just see here. A little bit of street view for you as well. And we're just gonna walk down. So they're selling lots of, all this stuff is really cheap. You can also buy vegetables and such too. And let's just see. We're just gonna go right here. And then, okay, now I can see the characters, the Chinese characters right there, so that's the, probably the name of the school written. So okay, so you kind of got to see, we kind of, quick review, we basically got sidetracked, got sidetracked, check it out, the paint of a cool building, and now we're just kind of exploring this little street with fresh fruits and vegetables, which is maybe interesting in its own way, you know, even though that wasn't the original focus. That's a beautiful ending right there.